Hey guys, TNT Gaming 1120 here, and I finally got the envelope. As you can see, it's cut open because I tried making the other YouTube video, but I had low storage, so I couldn't redo the cut marks, so we have to deal with that. I had to block up my address and other stuff, so yeah, let's just open. It looks paperish. It looks YouTubey. Congrats on 200 subscribers. TNT Gaming 1120. Oh, that looks nice. Powered by YouTube channel TNT Gaming 1120. Oh. So yeah, this looks nice. I can't believe I got it. But this does look sketchy. Did they send me like a fake? Let's so let's see if there's anything else. Wait, what is that? That's just the scribble marks I did. So apparently this is it. I'm gonna be keeping this forever. And to use that to scribble. So yeah, this looks nice and fake. Did someone like trick me or prank me? I don't know. Please subscribe and like and comment. Bye.